Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here with an expected release of the new Samsung S10. Yes, my friend, we are looking forward for the new era of Samsung mobile to come. With Apple release its new iPhone XS and XS Max and a budget phone, iPhone XR. We are looking for Samsung to come with a new exciting feature. Let's take a look at what we can expect from Samsung new S10 with some new technology. Everything we heard so far has an indicator that Samsung Galaxy S10 range will feature 3 different models as well, just like an Apple. These models might consist of standard size Galaxy S10 with 5.8 inches display, which is standard size, a super size S10 Plus with a larger display, and a budget S10 that will feature a flat display rather than a curved infinity one, as well as screen size and type. How different S10 phones are, especially internally, also varies, with some S10 features exclusive to top tiers. Interestingly, the latest rumors suggest the S10 Plus will feature 6.44 inches, which is actually bigger than on Note 9 tablets. The idea is super thin bezel and minimal notch, makes such a larger display possible without causing pocket distress. At 6.44 inches, the screen would be smaller than the Apple's new iPhone XS Max, which features 6.5 inches screen, showing just how smartphone seems to expanding in the size at the moment. I'm going to show you top 4 features which I think would be interested to know about Samsung S10. Number 1. The new emerging technology eSIM. Will Samsung be integrating it to the new hardware with eSIM plus dual SIM? Well, we have stick around and see what the bucket list of Samsung. Some of you must be wondering, what is eSIM? eSIM is short for electronic SIM, which will replace the physical SIM. What does that mean for consumers? For starters, we don't have to visit anywhere to transfer one service provider to the another. Just give them a call and do it on the fly. Number 2. With new Apple's iPhone 4G LTE connection have got fastest with 25% per statistics. Check this out here. Would that be added to Samsung as well, or will it be 5G connectivity? We have to look out for that. Number 3. Samsung always like to focus on camera with Huawei upper the end with triple lens camera on the back. On the Huawei P20 Pro, Samsung will want to respond to more lenses, more aperture settings, better low light performance. That's because there have been reports of first the S Plus package for 5 cameras, then second Galaxy S10 also with the front rear dual camera lenses, second the Galaxy S10 also with front and rear dual camera, being joined by dedicated rear mount ultra wide angle lenses. These rumors of extra cameras also seemingly backed up with phone industry analysis, with KBI Security claiming. King Dong Won says the Samsung plans to renovate its business by adding triple lens camera to Galaxy S10. Number 4. The Samsung S10 may replace its iris scanner with in-display fingerprint sensors. Samsung wants to add an in-display fingerprint sensors with 3D facial recognition to its Galaxy S10 flagship device, according to Korean news from the Bell. The company has not requested that its suppliers make iris scanner for new phones. Report says instead of scanning iris, the Galaxy S10 will feature facial recognition, while in-display fingerprint sensors would offer an easier way to unlock phone. Samsung Galaxy smartphone currently have fingerprint scanner on the back, which are might convincing for the people with a smaller hand or left-handed with Galaxy S8. As phone size are be continuously grown over past few years, Samsung price behind Apple, which introduced 3D facial recognition last year on iPhone X. So it's understandable investing a lot of catch up, while Face ID competition features did not match with Galaxy S9. Samsung introduced its version of Animoji with AI emoji. Apple followed up with Memoji features that coming to iOS 12 this fall. Meanwhile, Samsung has partnered with Mantis Vision, the co-developed of algorithm of 3D facial recognition. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.